In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best compact router in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which compact router is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, compact router cutter sets. Strong power, pure copper electric motor, secure performance, heat resistance, speed up to 30,000 RPM, multi-caliber quick warm dissipation. Several trimming, 15 items of a wood milling cutter with wood storage space box, several cutting, one maker, you can perfectly finish all kinds of trimming, grinding, sculpting. Detailed design, transparent base, clear monitoring of processing track, exact control procedure, one switch toggle button, exterior carbon brush hole, fine steel securing chuck, anti-skid take care of every little thing for you. Rich devices, the product is equipped with various accessories such as a spanner, chuck, guide, and base plate seat, which makes the woodworking job much easier and also much more precise. Wide application, it is utilized for timber slotting, DIY home decoration, art cutting, craft sculpting as well as other timber processing. This expert cutting machine understands what you have. Pure copper motor, secure performance, high temperature resistance, multi-caliber quick heat dissipation. Clear base, clear observation of processing track, accurate control procedure, one switch toggle button, great steel fastening chuck, anti-skid handle, every little thing for you. Here is the item number 4, DEWINNER electric flush router. Quick locking and deepness change system, micro adjustment dial and quick release clamping lever allow exact modification of the machining depth. Ergonomic and hassle-free style, lightweight aluminum body, rubber-coated surface making certain comfortable hold as well as easy to manage. Powerful and speed adjustable, 220-240 volt 50 Hz 710 watt all copper motor with variable speed from 13,000 to 33,000 RPM can give great power for the most difficult woodworking applications. Versatility, suitable with 1 or 4 3 or 8, 6 mm as well as 8 mm cutters. Multifunction woodworking device for the work of the router, lawnmower, trimmer, dive. This DEWINNER router trimming set is best for woodworking beginners. It's really suitable for home usage and obviously works well for professional woodworkers. The lightweight device of a top quality, solid aluminum body. Offers greater adaptability and is excellent for cutting, edge creating, slot cutting, ornamental work as well as many various other uses. Exterior carbon brush port for very easy setup as well as disassembly, one key begin button, quick and also easy to use alloy mounting head, tighter component non-slip rubber handle for comfortable grip, rapid warmth dissipation, continuous usage does not melt the equipment. The item number 3, Dobetter wood router tool. 6.5 amp motor with the max horsepower of 1.25 delivers abundant power for a selection of transmitting as well as cutting applications. Soft starting and continuous power avoid this hand router from leaping around in your hand, providing you with much better control. Come with router device, 12 wood router little bits, side guide, roller guide, dust hood, wrench as well as carbon brushes, make your task much easier. Smooth rack and pinion depth modification system for more accurate cutting, finished in both clear inch as well as depth ranges, easy to read. 6 variable speed 10,000 to 32,000 RPM for various materials, quick release webcam lock system for very easy deepness modifications, and base elimination or installment. Dobetter is an expert provider of power as well as hand tools. We concentrate on establishing as well as making a variety of power and also hand devices. We are working on our own Dobetter brand name. Dobetter is dedicated to providing each customer with a great shopping experience. Dobetter 1.25 HP compact wood router tool voltage, 110 volt, regularity, 50 or 60 Hz, turning speed, 10,000 32,000 RPM, no load rotation rate, 33,000 RPM, power intake, 1.25 horsepower, collet chuck diameter, 3 or 8 inch as well as 1 or 4 collet, non-slip soft rubber manage comfy hold. Number 2 in our list, DEWALT 20V Max Router. Double LED lights assist illuminate the job surface. Depth modification ring allows for quick as well as easy height modifications. Electronic brake slows down the motor faster after the device is shut down, rate 16,000 to 25,500 pm. The variable rate dial allows the user to match the rate of the router to the application. Soft beginning electric motor with full-time electronic comments permits the electric motor to preserve speed throughout cuts. The 20V Max XR cordless compact router supplies power like a corded portable router while giving the ease of a cordless device. The plastic fixed base as well as dual LED lights aid to brighten the work surface and also provide a superior little bit presence. This cordless router is geared up with variable rate control for an ideal little bit rate in each application. The release clamp enables fast and simple little bit and base modification. The top one in our list, Makita HP Compact Router. Variable speed control dial enables the user to match the speed to the application. Smooth shelf as well as pinion fine deepness change system for much more exact setups. Slim and also ergonomically designed body for raised convenience and also control. Quick release camera lock system for very easy depth adjustments as well as base removal or installment. Digital rate control keeps consistent speed under load. Soft begin function for smooth startups. Dealt with base accepts market conventional design template guides for comfort. High presence base design for enhanced handling and also performance. The base can be removed swiftly to mount various other bases. Heavy-duty aluminum electric motor real estate crafted for enhanced toughness. The Makita 1-to-1 or 4 HP compact router version RT0701C provides performance and also accuracy in a small style. With a complete 1-to-1 or 4 maximum horsepower, the RT0701C is engineered for a series of accurate routing applications. The RT0701C has an effective 1-to-1 or 4 HP, optimum horsepower electric motor with a variable rate control dial 10,000 to 30,000 RPM that makes it possible for the customer to match the rate to the application. Extra performance attributes include electronic rate control to keep continuous rate under tons, as well as soft start function for smooth startups. The RT0701C is double insulated with a durable aluminum electric motor real estate for boosted sturdiness. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best compact router amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.